What's up, SCS crew? All right, anyway, I'm over here at USPS, man, shipping this package, which I didn't do yesterday because I got tired and I passed out. And when I woke up, it was an hour till they closed, but I need to go get envelopes. So I'm gonna get this package shipped off today. I got a mop and a mop bucket. I mean the Cobalt, gas saver. Got a mop in the mop bucket. And some fat below, so only hood people would know what this do, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta clean up the shop, get all this sawdust and all that cleaned up. Got some biscuits, gonna go eat some breakfast. I'm about to get Jrock C10 in the shop. He don't know where the key at. I don't know where the key at because I never touched it. And hopefully he ain't leave it in his charger because he went home for a week for his daughter's birthday. So somehow, some way, I'm gonna get this truck in the shop, motor pulled out, and have it back in the parking spot by noon so I can pull the Tahoe in and get a lot of work done on that. But I'm finna tag y'all on this adventure. We'll get this knocked out real quick. I'll be right back. I'm going inside, go pay for this package to get shipped. Rude these days. I just held the door open for this cunt and he ain't say that be pissing me off. Anyway, my P.O. box, man, I left the key at the house, man. So I'm trying to go get these cleaning supplies that I was shipped. And yeah, I can't open my P.O. box. So yeah, I'm just about to go ahead home and eat real quick and then get this work in at the shop. So yeah, let's get that. Yeah, man. I put this out there a couple years ago. Like 2 years ago when I first got here. A little bit before 2 years ago, man, people would change you, bro. Like, I used to be so, like, smooth, people person, calm. That's not me no more. Like, I don't know. My wife say all the time, and some people I know, like, how the hell do you have friends? Like,
okay.
And can I have a stir?
I'm sorry?
A stir?
A stir, yes.
Say my coffee.
I did stir with a spoon, though, too.
Okay,
thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Yeah, I don't drink coffee. Only like on road trips or something when I'm trying to stay alert. I don't even drink it on CQ staff duty. But anyway, man, like I was saying, people would change you, man. Like, people would change you. So I try to stay mellow, monotone, one setting, unless I'm really excited about some car stuff. But I try to stay myself. I used to be speaking to people, hey, how's it doing? How's it going? But y'all probably seen, when I was staff duty, I was like, hey, y'all have a good one. Nobody said nothing. I was like, well, fuck y'all too then. I hate when people try to not, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause I be trying to be a people person, which I really don't like to, but I'm just about to stop. Speaking to people, talking to people, making conversation, all that. Like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm just about to be like that, man. Cause people these days, man, like I was raised to be like that, So I guess everybody's not. I hate that. I can't stand that, man. People. Anyway, let me go ahead and get to this house and eat real quick, and then I'm gonna cut y'all on when I find a way to get in this car and push that boy up to the shop. I'm out. Look at these little bitty doggies. My wife would try to steal one if she seen that. Oh shit, come here. And if they take the food, she'll be like, let's just take it home. No, we're not taking it home. We're not taking it home, nothing. But yeah, I thought that'd be funny. Woo. Working. Getting all this stuff cleared out, sweeping, pushing this box out. I gotta go get some sealing for this box and then sand everything down. I got some old Bondo that I'm just trying to get rid of, so I just be throwing it on everything, literally. Every box I touch, I just throw it on. I need to get like 2 totes. One for small block parts and one for LS parts. This LS, small block, LS, small block, LS, the AC compressor, and small block power steering. All that wiring go to my run stand. Yeah, I took all that stuff from the house, so let me go ahead and get this van out of here. So this van is an out of town bill. It's getting 4.8s, 3 different audio setups, one for the TV here, one for the main car, and then one for this second TV in the back for tailgating. Y'all make sure y'all follow Jrock Customs. He doing this build on his channel, so I won't have too much of this van. Probably this might be all you see, but y'all make sure y'all follow him. And he doing the giveaway soon too, so I'm gonna check that out. Let me get you cleaning, mop this floor, get some work in. Ooh, let me pause this music before I get copyright. Run it back, Turbo. I'm actually like an hour behind schedule, so I planned on starting at C10 motor pool at 10 o'clock. It is like probably like 10:40, 10:30. So hopefully it'll be out by 1 o'clock, and then I can push the Tahoe in and get the timing set. Dang, I forgot the OBD2 sensor. It's still in the mailbox. But let me finish knocking this dust out. I'm only mopping it because I'm about to be on the floor, so I ain't trying to have all the stuff all in my hair and all that. But yeah, be right back. Jrock got us doing. Would have been me by myself. This man say his keys in the shop, but it's not. I don't think he got a key because look, he got another ignition right there. That's another cylinder. So yeah, we got these 1,000-pound dollies about to give out. But we'll see what we can do, man. I'm pretty sure it's gonna break. But I'm gonna just try it out. Worst case scenario, air the tire up and then pull it with the jack. That's how I usually move it, because the back they gonna move anyway. But that's all we got. Let's try it out, man. Womp womp. I got some more wood to remake it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna jack it, roll it, and jack, roll, jack to just turn it. Dang, Jrock, this man. I'm about to stick a screwdriver in here and break your stuff. You broke my dollar. When Jrock say he got a key, but he don't got a key. The column lock. I adjusted the trans. And this tire is flat, man. It's hard to roll. I ain't got my air pump. Let me steer this jack. Oh, it's going. Steering this on, so you'll air this tire up and then roll it in there. Get this motor and trans out. Alright, and the adventure begins. So, while I'm about to knock this out, you got to get this 350 on this stand, push this truck back some more. And as soon as I pull this out, stick it on the side, and then push the Tahoe in here. Probably try to straighten my stuff up a little bit, because I got stuff everywhere. I got a lot of garbage too. And I need to go get them totes like ASAP so I can separate all these small block parts. But so far so good, man. About to start it finally. So I'm gonna leave the power steering pump on. I actually like doing it so the fluid won't be everywhere. You could get a bolt or something with plugs, but I haven't found power steering plugs, only transmission pan plugs. I gotta find that real quick. So I'm gonna need that. Yeah, drive shaft, motor mount bolts, trans mount bolts, and then literally chain that boy up and bring it on out. I'm gonna say I can do it in an hour. So now I'm getting good, man. So I'm gonna shoot for an hour. 1 hour. I'm gonna time it. 1 hour. She's out. She out. Man, it was going real good, real clean, and one of the motor mount bolts, y'all can see, it's like different, and I was having some trouble. The bolt came out sideways. It was all kind of stuff. It's not an OEM bolt either. It's not OEM. At least it's not what I'm used to. But I mean, it's out. I ain't do it in the hour that I planned. It took like an hour and 45 minutes. I'm like, it was less than 2 hours, I know that for sure. But I had to clean up. I spilled the dang the tube came out the trans. The plug I be putting in, it came out, and literally all you can see is darker gray. All of it was transferred. So I hate cleaning up spills, man. I really hate cleaning up spills. So clean that up. A whole bunch of tech wipes and some litter. And then took some soap and some of that good Fabuloso. Cleaned it up. But yeah, it's in there, it's clean. Did a little bit more cleaning over here, organized the tools, and getting ready to put the Tahoe in. But I'm trying to finish this off probably tomorrow. I don't know, cause the guy gotta bring me speakers, so I couldn't. I'm gonna put that in the other video for the box. I gotta recycle all this. Recycle these tires. I'm gonna use them wide 15s. Put them on a brown box, make it look muscly. It'd be a little funny look. But yeah, man, getting it on. Finna take these tires over there, get the van, push the Tahoe in, cause I don't want to start it no more. I don't want the plugs to file out. They probably already did.